Hello everyone, so welcome to the Learn Spoken English with Amitav. So today's expression is very useful. So sometimes we use this expression in our daily life. So before we get into it, just listen the conversation so that you will get the idea, and then I will teach you how to pronounce it and when you use this expression.
You wanna play some volleyball this weekend? I would love to, but my knee went out. Ouch! How did it happen? When I was playing soccer.
Okay, my knee went out. My knee went out. So, how do you pronounce it? My knee went out. My knee went out. That's possible. Like sometimes we say my knee went out, but most common we say my knee went out. My knee went out. So there's a N and T is cancellation. So in English, so there is a rule. So if you have a weak sound next to a strong sound, we just keep the strong one. Like we have a weak strong sound is S N L. There is a weak sound. There is a D T T H. We just keep this one. So just remember. So whenever you have a weak sound next to strong sound, we just keep the strong one. So just like T is next to the strong sound, we just keep this one. So my knee went out. My knee went out. My knee went out. So went out, sometimes we say so my knee went out, but most common we say my knee went out. Just like my shoulder went out, my neck went out, my elbow went out, my back went out, just like my knee went out. So sometimes you just running faster or you just walking and faster. So in that time, sometimes what happens and your knee little bit twisted or stressed. In that times our knee went out. So whenever your knee went out, you can use this expression like my knee went out, my shoulder went out, my neck went out, my elbow went out, my back went out. So whenever you're getting older, so every time something is went out, so in that times you can use this expression. You need to take a healthier food or something so that you will be strong enough. But hope nothing is went out right now, use this expression. Is a very useful expression. So everything, so whenever something is went out, so whenever something is went wrong, then you can use this expression like something is went out. So if you broke something, you can't use this one like I broke my knee, then it doesn't say my knee went out. I can say my knee broke. When something is twisted, something is stressed, it's not working properly. In that time you can use this one. Like whatever something is went wrong, it's not working properly. In that time you can use this expression. My went out. My something went out. So whatever the body part is went out, then you can use this one. So my knee went out. Hope you got this point out. So whenever you have a weak sound next to the strong sound, we keep the strong one. So my knee went out. My knee went out. You can't hear the T sound. So my knee went out. My knee went out. My knee went out. So thank you guys, and keep learning, keep practicing. See you next time. Thank you.